Immediately you realize that you lost your phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to remotely erase everything on that phone before someone can have access to your lost or stolen phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do, immediately you notice that you lost your phone, and first thing first, make sure you get another phone that have access to internet. You can also do this on PC and make sure you know your Google account username and password of it. So what you want to do, if you are doing it on phone, make sure you head over to the phone settings. Click on settings right here. Have you click on the settings, scroll down, all the way down, or make sure you locate Google. Click on Google right here. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you add your Google account to that particular phone you are using to track the phone and erase everything you have on the stolen or lost phone. And for you to do that, simply click on here to add the Google account. And for you to add the lost phone Google account, simply click on add another account right here. Once you click on add another account, make sure you switch the account of the lost stolen phone and replace it with the one you are using to track the phone. Once you replace the Google account, what you need to do is to click on here to close the tab. Then the lost phone or stolen phone Google account must be found right here. Make sure you set it here. Once you set it there, next thing you need to do is to click on all services right here. From all services, make sure you scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to Find Up. Click on Find Up right here. That's going to take you right here. Allow device to be located. What you need to do is to make sure you turn on this particular toggle button. Then get a security lock of that particular phone you are using to track your lost or stolen phone. Get the security access to the phone. Then once you enter the security access of that particular phone you are using to erase or track your lost phone, it takes you right here. Then you have two options right here. Find your offline devices with network in high traffic area only. What you need to do right here is to click on Find Up Web. Click on Open on Web. So once you click on Open on Web, it's going to redirect you to web page right here. And then you can see the notification right here. Find Up is trying to locate the device. Then in a few seconds, it's going to locate the device, just like what you see right there. And to tell you the exact place where the phone is being located right here, just like what you see on the map right here. The next thing you want to do here now is to make sure, you come down below right here and click on Factory Reset Device. And this is going to pump up. Factory reset device, all data will be erased permanently from the particular phone that got lost or stolen. After the reset, the device's location will not be available in Find Up. So you're going to lose the access location of that particular phone. If the device is offline, erasing will be once it is online again. That is, if the phone has been switched off, immediately the phone is on again, it will automatically erase everything you have on that phone. And they will not have access to your data and your important information on your phone. Next, you will be signing into your Google account to erase your device. It's that simple. Next thing you need to do is to click on Next and follow the prompt. With that, everything will be factory erased from that particular devices that got lost without any stress. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.